I'll just show you this while we're here. So I've been working on bundling this for installation, and I have got it so that it exposes the CLI and runs the indexer against my local node. So it's only talking to local things. Mm-hmm. So just like, and maybe in another episode, we're getting a little long today, but maybe another episode, I'll talk about how this gets installed, and we can talk about your experience setting up your own space.
It was rough.
CLIs. Yeah. So, but the thing was like all the pain that Jason went through to get his thing set up in the early days because he was such a believer. It's like a one-click install right now.
That would be nice.
Yeah. So basically, and the only thing it depends on is the Bitcoin core itself. So this is where StartOS has like made it nice. Now, I also, and this isn't per se working. So right now, for instance, I can go and bring up effectively a web interface and say, oh, space CLI, get server info. Boom. It's like I can like do all the
space CLI load wallet.
Yeah, load wallet. You know the drill, right?
Space CLI balance. Let's see.
Exactly. Yeah, exactly. But for instance, I just pulled up the help, but I've actually this version of it. I'm actually have a few things that I have added to it. So for one, they took out the sign event and verify event, and I put them back in. So nice. Also, there's new stuff around this nums getting listing numbers, and for instance, my version of list nums, just put it as an example, has this thing where you can like feed it a spaces or a script public key, and cool. And it will if you've taken a subname on chain and it's script public key, then you can use this to like look on chain and find out the data that's associated with that subname.
That's really cool.
That's probably more than what most people want to get into, but the point is, it's like it's all open source, so it's not even though that the primary team has what they support, what they consider the thing, that doesn't prevent you from doing things yourself.
Yeah, and you made this really cool. Show me the way. How do you find the expired one? So that's not on the original command list. How do you find expired?
So let's see.
Because that's huge. That's extremely valuable.
All right.
So list spaces, that shows your own spaces.
I think it's it wasn't. Gosh, I've forgotten where I put it.
Expired.
It wasn't. Oh, get all spaces.
Get all spaces -- expired.
So cool. Yeah,
let's see it.
So I created this get all spaces. Now, if I run it if I don't put anything, we're going to sit here and wait
don't do that.
for thousands of spaces. But if I say expired,
this is so useful.
It gives me a list. Now let me pipe it through JQ here.
Dang, even that's huge.
So, there is some of these Punycode ones. So these are all where their expiration height has gone higher. So Hollow, let's see, Prometheus. That's
Prometheus. Cool. They should put this on the web UI, don't you think? Just a button you click and it goes to expired.
Is it insider information?
At this point, it is. That's why it's so valuable. It's so nice.
Yeah. Lyra. I can just go through what else we got here. A lot of these are Punicodes. Rebellion. puny.
Now, can you write some like SQL-esque code and say does not contain XN, like to get rid of all the puny codes?
Yeah, I could write a little filter. Nostalgia.
Oh, that's kind of good.
Basilisk. Not sure what that is.
Basilisk? I think that's like a lizard.
Technium. Studio. That's not a bad one. Dreamer. So anyway, ISA.
I thought that said Lisa.
Pretty short.
Yeah.
Rodus. Atoms. There you go. So there's a lot of atoms out there.
There's a lot.
You could get production.
Not bad.
Madi. Sator. What's Sator?
I think that's like a devil.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Glorify. Yeah. The problem is like there's no way in the Explorer to like get this list as such. Now, once you know what one is, you can then look at it, Francis, and you can see that it's expired. You can then reopen the auction as a new open.
But there's a catch. At least
with a bid.
Well, at least with this version .009, I think that's the one you're running too. You have to use -- force to make it go through because the spaces will see it as already registered.
Yeah. You have to force it.
So hopefully that changes as well, where you don't have to use the force command.
Right. Now, just like mempool, you can run your own Explorer. Now, for some reason, this isn't working, and I have to get the latest version of stuff. But you can, it's okay. So here's my own local version of this. Now it's not working at the moment, but you can see that it kind of looks like what it's supposed to. Oh, recent events. Oh, it's pulling up some of the stuff.
Yeah.
Okay. So here's some transfers, and it took forever to index this thing, and I'm also probably going to rework how this is done. Obviously, the site has changed. Or this is what the live one looks like. So again, if you wanted to be stealthy, every time I do a search here, I have to trust that whoever's running this server is not like keeping track of the things I'm curious about. Like, if I make, like if I make a bid for this, then that shows interest, right? It shows intent.
Yeah.
And I don't necessarily want to maybe disclose that. So it's important to kind of, if you're going to go down this road, you need to really kind of think of it holistically, right? In that it's like, I want to keep as much, I want to generate my own identity and control how much of my personal information I give out to what parties and for what extent and what reasons. I want to control that. I want to have as much infrastructure within my own control. And, I want to depend as least as possible on centralized services. I mean, that's kind of the self-sovereign sort of way and mantra. And it's hard. It takes a lot of work and interest. A lot of people just, hey, I just want to use iCloud. I want to take a picture and have my mother-in-law see the picture of the kids as soon as I take a picture. It's like, to do that in completely self-sovereign way, it's going to take a good bit of setup and coordination and stuff. It's not going to be like just there for you. So, it's a trade-off, and people have to kind of balance their time and stuff. So